No, sir.
Okay, so everyone is clear, right? Like, one second, I'll show. Share with my screen. Okay, it's visible. Just check. Yeah, is it visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any doubt? Yeah. So these are HTML actually. Here, what happened now? So what is the mistakes right here? Did you understand anything? What is the mistakes for this HTML? Yeah. See right here, actually, what is the mistakes, ma? Most of things we are doing like the same mistakes in the HTML. What is the mistake of this equations? Those all equations. Yes. Any idea?
No, sir. Not sure.
Not sure. Anyone?
Italic.
Please find the mistake. Yeah, okay. Italic is missing actually. In every equation, italic is missing actually. Okay, na? So in every equations, italic is missing actually. Okay, it's very important. Okay, na? So italic is very important. Okay, right?
So every equation should be in italic only?
No. Some of equations, na, I will show you. 1 second. What is the paragraph actually? This one, the state of system. Okay. So where is the state of system? Yeah. See here, this is the state of system now. Okay. So I will show you. See here, the X getting a bold actually, the T getting italic, right? This X is italic and look like it's a T also italic. But what about your file? See, in everywhere X normal, T normal, and this X also normal, this T also normal. Everything you put normal. See this equation. Take this. Actually, this one already I created last in last class. I will explain this equation only. So here that equation will be everything is italic actually. The A it's italic actually, and this A also italic, this I italic, and this J also italic both. So what about this? Actually, it's wrong. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Did you understand, right? See, everywhere, most of equations comes italic only, ma. Okay, na? So most of equations, see, this is the actual right. This one is actual right. Okay, the most of equations comes italic only. Okay, please check and recover. Okay, right? Any doubt? Yeah, this I thought a little bit correct, but this one also some mistakes we've done actually. So this T is italic actually. Okay, the italic should clearly given. Okay. The same mistake right here also. Italic not given. Okay, na? See the difference actually. So these equations, I thought is clear actually. So these equations I thought is clear. Okay, na? See. Okay, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So these are clear actually. But here the wrong actually. Okay. See, what is the problem means? You should, this is italic and K also italic, na? So the subtract closing, before closing, the italic will close. Okay. After another thing, you have to open another italic. Okay. It's wrong actually. This one already we discussed, right? Again, the subtag not close. Subtag unnecessary close in this paragraph. Subtag unnecessary closed. Okay. So you are doing, if you want, do just clearly. Okay. That's very important. Let's see the subtag. This is a subtag one. Okay. Here it is closing. Oh, yeah, good actually. It's a subtag opening and subtag close. And 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 subtag opening and subtag also close. And subtag opening and subtag close. And subtag opening and subtag close. And here the subtag opening and the subtag close. Okay. And here the subtag opening and the subtag close. Okay. And subtag opening and the subtag close. And subtag opening and subtag close. It's everything's clear actually. What is the issue? Okay, okay. The break tag not used. Okay, na? No use for the break tag. Okay, na? So break tag not in use. Just close, open it, p tag privately in every line separately. Okay. Again, the break tag not in use. Should close and open new. Yeah, body close. Subtag. Somewhere subtag is missing actually. Sub close, sub open, sub close, sub open, sub close, sub open, sub close, sub open. See here some mistake actually. Only the close only showing. But what about the opening? See here the mistake, right? Is it clear? Now you can see actually the document validation will be done by after complete the file now. Come to end and do alt one. Do alt one. Okay, it's auto tag closing now. Once it's all tag close, the command will coming now. So the file is cleared actually. Okay. Once the alt tag close command come now, so it's your file is cleared. Any doubt? So otherwise it's wrong actually. So any other doubts?
Only if the alt tag closed is mentioned, then it is
Yeah,
correct. The document is
it's
correct.
correct. Otherwise I'll show you. I'll show you another document. I'll take this one and go to end alt one. See, I tag unnecessary close. So for this paragraph, I tag unnecessary close. It's automatically gone for the that paragraph. Okay, automatically. Just check this paragraph. Where is I tag close and open? Okay. So just do one thing. Just select these two tags. Okay, like content, then closing tag, and Control S. Search. So open and close, and open and close, and open, and this is wrong actually. So here we need to place like this. Okay, that's already informed. Okay, and let's see that here the opening. That is the issue. Okay. So it's automatically I tag is not closed. Just check, open, close, and open and close and open and close and open and close and it's a close actually. Where is the open? Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts? Okay, so that's why we are using this like, okay. So for example, I will close this italic and go to end again. And again, you put alt 1. So see, P not close. P not close for this paragraph. Go to end. It's not closing the paragraph. Okay, let's check this end. This paragraph is not closing. But either where is the opening tag? Yeah, it's additional paragraph tag not closing anywhere. Okay, just open and close is very important one. Okay, now just check open and close. It's very important. See, actually, almost two paragraph not closing. Okay, do alt one. Okay, don't close manually. Do alt one. It's very important. Okay. Any other doubts? See, sub is not closed. See, the open sub and close sub. So that's why I'm saying actually, once if you see, this structure is wrong actually. Okay. If you have italic and both sub na, just close the italic and open the italic inside the sub only, not outside the sub. This is already I'll explain, right? Okay, na? So this is the correct method and the sub will close. Okay, don't close the manually. Okay, use alt one. Okay. So did you understand?
So can you please show how to use auto tag alt plus
See,
one?
actually, listen. Whatever tag open, whatever, just open p tag, na? Okay. So it's a paragraph. So if you want close the tag, listen. If you want close the tag, use alt one. One means that that symbol like nearby at symbol, na?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, that one. So just say here alt one. Just practice your epsilon. Try to epsilon any doubt. Let's see. It's automatically close. Use
Okay.
all one. It's a main feature of the epsilon. Okay, it's one of the main feature. Okay,
Okay, not only for like a P, whatever we open, then
whatever tag. Yeah, whatever tag we open. See, not only right here. For example, I'll open p tag right here, and I'll open bold tag right here, and I'll open italic tag right here. Na, so it will close alt one italic close, alt one bold close, alt one p tag close. Okay, whatever will close orderly.
okay, got
Okay,
it.
right. So any doubts?
No, fine.
Any other doubts? Okay, na? Be just clear everything. Okay, again. So coming to next topic. So have any doubt in like basic tags like character? I mean, like character tags like bold, italic, super tag, sub tags. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, then. Next topic is like a entity value. Just note it down. Entity value. So any other doubts? Okay, entity value. So what is mean entity value actually? Okay, so in PDF we found like some symbols actually. Okay, like alpha, beta, gamma. Otherwise like copyright symbol. Those unkeyboard characters. Okay, unkeyboard letters actually. Okay, so unkeyboard letters. Once we receive unkeyboard letters, we should declare entity value. Okay, once we received unkeyboard letters or unkeyboard characters, we should declare entity values. Okay, na? Is it clear? Those unkeyboard character or unkeyboard letters, we should declare entity values.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, which means what is unkeyboard character? If, for example, alphabet A to Z, it's available in keyboard. Okay, and numeric numbers, it's all numbers like 1 to 10 or 1 to 1000, 1 to lakh. Everything we available in that number also. Okay, and few symbols also we have. Okay, so except the keyboard characters. Okay, otherwise we have whatever symbol we received. For example, like alpha, beta, gamma, the mathematical symbols. Okay, and for example, I will show you. See, this is a copyright symbol. Okay, na? So this is a copyright symbol. And for example, I will show you another PDF actually, other characters actually, whatever. Okay, we should declare like a entity values. Okay, let's see how to find the value first of all. Okay, how to find the value of those symbols. Okay, so let's see. In every system, defaultly it's available for character map. Just note it down. In every systems actually, Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever operating system, so we available, I mean it's available for character map. Okay, na? So just open character map. We have a symbols actually, lot of symbols. See here, alphabet we don't know. Okay, we don't want actually here the copyright symbol, and here the other languages letters actually, even Greek languages, Latin languages letters, everything we have. Okay, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So once we found like these letters, those letters, okay, once we found like those letters, okay, so for example, copyright symbol. So we found a value, each and every symbols having a value, those value right here, okay, this is called hexadecimal value, okay, and sorry, last 4-digit value you took, okay. So what is the copyright value? 00A9. So the copyright symbol value is like a 00A9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? And let's see that this symbol actually. What is the symbol? It's like a small letter A ring with ring above. Okay, like okay, some Latin letter. So its letters value is 00E5. Okay, it's a 4-digit value, and a little bit down now. Just use like a sidebar. Little bit down in the place we available of lot of mathematical letters actually. It's like a alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and like zeta, eta, theta, load everything. Okay, we have a lot of mu symbol, mu symbol. Okay, so any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So actually those symbols actually, what is the alpha symbol? 03B1. Okay, so once you take this symbol now. So for example, copyright symbol. So where is the copyright symbol? I'll show you. So here the copyright. So here the copyright symbol. Okay. 1 second, be online. 1 second. Have one call. 1 second. Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So listen. Okay. So the copyright symbol right here now. So just delete the copyright symbol. What is the value of the copyright? The value of the copyright is like I will show you. So value of the copyright is 00A9. Okay. So 00A, it's a 9. Okay. It's a value of the copyright. But we should like declare like a value now. It's output showing only value. Okay. You should declare the value now. So input the value. I mean the output it shows like a value only because it's a numerical and alphabet now. So that's why. That's why whenever we use, I mean we have to declare like entity values. Okay. Before that we use and hash x for all symbol. Okay, and hash x and semicolon. You have to use like a semicolon for end of the value. Okay, the value only differ between the symbols. Okay, so the value only differ based on symbols. Okay, now but the and hash x and the colon, sorry, semicolon is common for all. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's see the output. Let's see that output. How it will be. See the copyright symbol showed actually. Exactly. Okay. At any doubt? For example, end of the line now I want beta symbol. Okay. End of the line I want the beta symbol. What is the value of the beta symbol? Let's check. Little bit down. So here the beta. Okay. The value of beta is 03B2. So right here in coding, end of the right here and hash x 03B2 semicolon. Okay. Is it clearing it out?
Got it, sir.
Got it.
Yeah, got it right. Yeah. So just save the file and see that output right here. Once refresh now, once refresh, it's showing like a beta symbol. Is any doubt
No, sir.
for declaration of the symbol? Okay. Okay, na? So if you want space between society and beta, right here you should declare the space. Okay. If you want space between society and beta, like here you have to given the space like this. Okay. So any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, now everything is clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, done. And this is called entity values. Okay. So unkeyboard character. This is the word. Its word is very important. Alphabet or numeric character. You should declare directly. But unkeyboard character, which means alpha, beta, gamma, all mathematical symbols and like a copyright symbol, like that. Okay. So coming to keyboard also some have some symbols to declare the entity value. Okay, in keyboard also some have some symbols to declare entity value. Okay, so what is the symbols means? I will show you. Just note it down. Yeah. So those symbols. So these are symbols in keyboard. We should declare entity value. If suppose in input PDF it's coming like and symbol, na, you should declare the value of the and symbol. And in input you should declare less than or greater than symbol. You should declare the value. And in input you should declare like a single quotation. You know, right? What is single quotation? I will show you. So this is a single quotation. This is an open single quotation. It's a closing single quotation. This is a open single double quotation. It's a closing double quotation. Okay. So those symbols. Okay. So quotations, single quotation and double quotations, and cap symbol and hyphen symbol. Hyphen, normal hyphen symbol and long hyphen. Long hyphen means like I will show you. Hyphen means see, this is hyphen actually. So those it's hyphen actually. Okay, 2013 value. Okay, so these hyphens. Okay, I'll show you again. These hyphens, this hyphen, this hyphen. It's not hyphen actually. It's hyphenated. It's no need. Okay. I'll show you long hyphen. Long hyphen. It's coming big actually. It's everything is hyphen only coming. Here the hyphen also again. See, less than. You should declare here the value. If this one is long hyphen, here the long hyphen. Okay. So the version short hyphen, it's a long hyphen actually. Okay, it's bigger. Like, right? I will show you, right? Any doubt? See, actually, this is not hyphen. You should declare directly. Okay, this is not hyphen. So this is a long hyphen and short hyphen. I will show you. Look like a minus actually. I will show you. This is a short hyphen. Okay. So two different things actually. Okay, now. So those things comes now. We should declare these values. Okay, please note down the value. So this already we know for every value we should declare and dash x in front and end one like semicolon. Okay, those things value. Just note it down the values.
So those values are not there in that map, character map.
I will show you. No, no, no. It's available. I will show you one second. For and symbol. Okay, one second. See, for and symbol na 0026, right? Same we have to paste it right here. And less than, coming to less than 003C. Yeah. And greater than, it's 003E. Everything it's available, but it's a keyboard character. Na? That's why I'll mention right here. Okay, just note it down. Okay. So otherwise you have to find. Okay, no issue.
Okay, fine. Noted, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, ma. So otherwise you should declare okay, na. So everything is right now. Okay. Compulsory the basic character tags and entity values. Okay. So those things we have to do whatever HTML or XML we found in like any DTT, you should follow this basic design. Okay. Or using for basic design, we should follow like italic, bold, super tag, sub tag, and as well as the entity values. Okay. It's very important. Any other doubts? Okay, done. Coming to coming to XML, okay, it's like article. This is called article actually. Okay, so this XML it's called article. Okay, so it's having a 12 pages. Okay, so in the 12 pages, the generally the XML article we have to split into three different parts actually. So in article we have to split into three different parts actually. So first one is like a front matter, and second one is like a body matter, and the third one is like a back matter. Just note it down.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, in that character map, we have left parenthesis and right parenthesis also, right? Round brackets.
No,
So,
no need, man. No need. No. It's available in, I mean, in available in like keyboard, na.
yeah. So we,
Yeah, no need, no need. Because see, actually, in keyboard we have a limited symbols only. We want like convert to entity values. That's one already I list out now.
yes, sir. Like,
So except this, no need. Everything you should declare directly, like at symbol, like hash symbol, like dollar symbol, percentage symbol, and star symbol at left parenthesis and right parenthesis, and like a bracket, left bracket, right bracket, and flat bracket, left flat bracket, right flat bracket, left square bracket, right square bracket. Everything you should use directly.
okay,
Question mark, hyphen, sorry, question mark. I mean slash everything. Okay,
okay, sir. Yeah.
comma, dots, everything you should use directly. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, so the article. Okay. The article we have to split into three different parts. Okay. So first one is front matter, and second one is the body matter, and third one is a back matter. Note it down. Front matter and the body matter and the back matter. Okay. Now, so what is front matter? So front matter is coming like information about the input. Okay. Information about the input means it's starting now. So start with the section. Okay. It's the first section. Before first section, it's everything is a front matter. So in first page or second page, it start with the section now. First section. Okay. Subsection. It's called a subtitle. Okay. Before subtitle, it's called the front matter. So what is mean front matter means it's like comes like information about the input. Information about the input. So information about the input. information about the input. So information about the input. And coming to body matter, it's like a main thing. Okay, main content. Start with this like subtitle. Okay, those things, everything is the main content. Okay, till before reference actually. Till before reference. So reference is like a back matter. Reference is like a back matter. Okay, just note it down. Right here, around 70% of content comes in body matter, and 20% of work in like back matter, and remaining 10% only the content come in like a front matter. Okay, na? Just note it down. Okay, na? So I will show you how to declare actually. For example, this is the body matter, na? So here the body content start, na? Okay. So after body content, it's not after body content, it's like a new file. Okay. For example, so it's coming like a article. Article is a parent. Okay. So the first child is like a friend matter. Okay. So the first child is like a friend matter. Okay, na? And the second child is like a body matter. And the second child is like a body matter. Okay, na? And it's a third child is like a back matter. Okay, so just open the back matter, and after that, end of the back matter close. Now, finally, the article tag will be closed. This is the structure actually. Just note it down.
Sir, can you show the examples for all three? Like what will be the front matter and what will be the bottom
See, actually, listen.
matters?
So in PDF,
Yes.
so the here the article open and front matter open. So those things comes like a front matter.
Okay.
Here the front matter completed,
Yes.
and here the body matter open. Okay, and start with here the body matter and end with before reference. Before reference, okay, because reference is the back matter. So here it's like a body matter completed.
Okay.
And again, the back matter will open right here, and end of the reference, the back matter close, and the article also close. That's it.
Okay.
So that's why we are structured like this.
Just one thing, sir. In anything like where after references, sometimes there will be abbreviations and all. Does it come in?
Those things also coming back matter. Those things also coming back matter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, na? So
Yeah.
once the reference coming, na, and then before the body matter will completed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Okay, done. So right now we'll first we'll going on the major part. Okay, what is the major part? It's like a body matter. Okay, it's like a body matter is a major part. Okay, it's a brief. Here we have to in article and front matter information. The information, I mean information. The input is like a front matter. It's coming inside and body matter. In body matter, we have some concepts actually. Okay, in body matter, basically the books have some concepts actually. So what is the concept we have means like first one is a section. What is the section? It's like this is a section. So introduction and the airline yield management. So this thing, okay, na? So these things, the sections actually. This means subtitles. Any other doubts? So those things are subtitles. And second concept is like a paragraph. So each and every, I mean, you know, right? What is paragraph? This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph, and this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph, and this is not a paragraph. It's a list actually. This is a paragraph, and this is a paragraph, and this is a paragraph. Everything is a paragraph. And the third one is figure actually. Figure concept. So right here, the figure concept. Okay, na? So right here, the figure concept, like figure, and this one is it's called a label. It's called a caption. Okay, so this is a figure actually, and the list concept. You know, right? What is a list? So list is like this one, alphabet list, like a Roman letter list, and this is a alphabet list. This is alphabet list. So those things are list concept. And coming to table concept. So what is a table concept? We have in like this is a table concept. Okay, it's a label and again the caption. And coming to equations, you know, right? Here these are equations. All of these equations. These are equation, and this is a equation, and this is a equations. We have a different types of equations. Okay, so those things in body matter. Okay, those concepts comes in the body matter only. Okay, so is it clear? Any doubt? So any other doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. So first, we'll see on one by one concept, okay, in body matter. So first, section concept, okay, we'll check on section concept, okay. So what is section? You know already. This one is a section, okay. So this one is a section. So in XML, we have to create a tag for every sections like this. Let's see, okay. For example, this is a section now. So first section will be that introduction, okay. So before we have to open a body matter, okay. Right here, the open body matter. And this is the first section. So if you receive the section, just open SCC tag. It's a section tag and give one RTube. RTube, it's like a property. So ID is a property. ID is like a S1, which means section 1. Okay, listen. Actually, it is a tag actually. So once you give a space now, it's a property. Okay, this is called a property, and inside the double quotation, it's called a like property value. Okay, so it's officially it's called attributes. Okay, ID attributes. Okay, it's called I attributes. Okay, and in between double quotes, it's called like a value of the attributes. Okay, it's like identification attributes. So once we close the section now, listen. Once we close the section, tag only close. Okay, the ID is not closing. Okay, because ID is not a tag. ID is, I mean, ID is like attributes. Okay, did you understand my concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have to open multiple attributes in a single tag. For example, I'll open another one, type equal something. I'll open another one, link equal something. I'll open another one, JU something. Whatever I'll open, okay. See how many attributes I will open in a single tag? first one ID, second one type and link and JU, something, whatever attributes, we have to close the tag now. Whenever we close the tag only close. The attributes is not closed. Okay. Is it clear, right? Any doubt?
Got it.
Yeah. So now you can, now here we have only one attribute, the ID. Okay. And the number, the section number is called a label. The section number is called label. Okay, just put here label label and write close right here. And for introduction it's called the title. So this is the XML structure actually. Okay, right? So after that it's a paragraph. After it's this one first paragraph. Okay, you do like right here the open paragraph and this paragraph and close paragraph. Okay. But the section is not closing because the section, whenever the section tag close now, if listen, this is very important. The section tag, when we close now, once it's a another the parent, it's like a parent now, which means like higher section or the same level section comes, the section tag will close. Okay. If suppose the same level comes the next time now, in that place, in that before only the section tag close. Okay. Listen. And second section. So here the second section is like a airline management. Okay, just copy and paste right here. In between, you should declare the paragraphs. Okay, whatever concept. So right here, I will close my section, first section. Okay, because it's a second section. Okay, again I'll open a second section. SEC ID equal S2, and as it is the number we should use label. And the title should be title. Any doubt? So any other doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. And again, next section. What is the next section? In between, you should copy the paragraphs. Okay, that's your part actually. So this paragraph comes like here again, the open paragraph and the content and close paragraph. Okay, and the next thing, right? This paragraph. This paragraph come here. Okay. Any doubt?
Sir,
And coming to yes.
here before the section, we no need to open any paragraph tag, right? Like as we did.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Because the section is priority. Okay. We need to open first the section. Okay. Inside the section only we declare paragraph and figure, whatever.
So section is the parent tag for all the other like.
Yeah, all the other. That's why the structure will like this. Okay. The body matter is a parent. For the child is a section. The section is a parent for the paragraph and figures and list. It's coming like a next level.
Even for the table, everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything comes inside the section only.
Okay.
Okay, na? Let's see. And again, it's coming like this section, 2.1 section. Okay. So here it's coming like a child section. What we do? I will close the second section or not? Yes.
Yeah, you need to close the session.
Which section I want to close?
Section 2.
Section 2. Okay. What I'm asking, if suppose section 2 is a parent actually, okay. As per concept, section 2 is a parent. Section 2.1 is? Yes. Child. Okay. So once the parent section close before another parent. Okay. Once the parent section will close before another parent only, not a child. Okay. Not a before child. Once the child open now, there is no need to close the parent. Okay.
No, sir. For child also, we need to open section like subsection.
Yes, of course, ma. Yes, of course. It's called a subsection. Okay. So that's why here we have to not closing the section, we'll open another section. ID equal, yes, sorry, yes, 2-1. So here we have to open label, LABEL label, and close the label tag. And here this one is like a title. That's it. Any doubt? Right now we have to close two sections, right? Section 2 and 2.1, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay then. Let's see another one. Yeah, still we have another child. Okay, still we have another child. So this is another level of section. It's a third level of section. Okay, ma. What we do right now? What we do right now? We'll close the section or not?
Open another section.
Yeah, open a new section. Okay, not closing. Just open a new section. So section space ID equal to double quotes. Yes, 2-1-1. Okay, and
So for
then it's like a
subsections, no need of closing.
actually listen. If you close the section, we have a two rule actually. Okay, if you section one level of section, the same level section, then we have to close the section. If the child level section comes now, we can't close. Okay, once if we need a same level or a higher level. Okay, once if we need a close the one tag, any tag, not a section. Okay, once we need a closing tag, any tag. Okay, whatever tag we need to close, we have a two instruction. Okay, one is the same level tag comes. Okay, so in that before we close the tag. Okay, otherwise the higher level tag comes now, in that before also we close the tag. Otherwise once if you have a child level section, okay, no need to close. Okay, that is a procedure. Okay, for all tag. Okay, at any doubt? So still we have a opening three sections right now. Okay, need to close the three section. Okay, now right? Any doubt? Because 2 is the parent, 2.1 is a child for the parent, and 2.1 point is like a child for 2.1. So three level of section we have to open right here, but not close. Okay, na?
Okay.
Sorry.
And here also, if we need to close like auto tag, we can use that, no? Alt plus
Yeah,
one.
sure. Alt one. It's clearly worked. Okay, no issue. Yeah. Okay, then. And next thing, 2.1.1 now. Okay, right here it's coming 2.1.2. Okay. Now what we do like here. Now what we do like here. Yes. Anyone? We need to close anything or otherwise we need to open.
Open. No
Okay,
need to
not
close.
closing anything. Okay. See, actually, I will let you know counting. Actually, this is a listen. This is a level one. Okay, and this is a level level 2, and this is a level. Okay, now so what is the procedure is actually once if you want close the one level of the section, if the same level section comes only we can close. Okay, again we received again level 3 section, then we call to close. Okay, otherwise if you receive level 2, then also the level 3 close. If you receive directly level 1, the both level 3 and level 3 level 2 also close. Okay, now it's a what is the level of this section actually, level 4 or level 3 or level 2 or level 1?
Level 3.
Yeah, level 3. Okay, so already we have a one level 3. Okay, so another level 3 only open. So that's why we have to close this level 3 section right here. Okay, close that level 3 only, not a level 2, because it's not a level 2, it's level 3 only. So that's why we have to close the level 3 section right here, and I'll open another level 3 section ID equal. So yes, 2-1-2. So as it is like here we have to open label and closing the label and enter and title tag. So create the title tag and close the title tag. Okay, now and next thing actually. So right here there is nothing in it's a 2.2 airline. Okay, let's see. It's a level 2 section. Okay, now how which tag we have to close right here? How many tags we have to close right here?
2 tags.
2 tags. Okay, what is the tags? What is the tags?
Level 3 and level 2.
Okay, I'll accept it. Level 3 and level 2. Okay, what is the tag based on that ID? Just you said the based on ID section. Yes.
For level 3.
Section
Okay, ma, for
2.1.
level 3, what I ask now? See, this section or this section?
So the yes.
Yes, 2-1-2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why? Because actually it's a level 3. Okay. So it's a level 2. Once it's a level 2 open na, so level 3 automatically close right here. And before that we have one level 2 without opening. Okay, sorry, without closing. So this level 2 also close right here. So another level 2 open right here. Section space ID equal double quotes. Yes, 2-2. Sorry, 2. So here we have to open label. And here you have to open title tag. Now we can open right this. And next thing is a 2.3. Okay. So now how many tags will close and what was the tag we have to close right here?
Section S2-2 has to close.
Yeah.
The next one has to open for S2.
Super. This is what I want. This one I want. Okay. This clarification I want. Okay. So just close the section 2-2. And here we have to open section space ID equal double quotes. Yes. 2-3. Super. Ma. So right here, label and right and here it's like label close and title.
Sir,
Title.
hello.
Yes. Any doubt? Yes.
Sir, that label tag will be like LABLE or LABEL because
No. I thought EL only. Yeah, EL only. Sorry. Okay, na? So label. Yeah, label only. Sorry. Okay. So EL. I'll replace it.
Okay, sir.
So label. Okay, na? And coming to another thing. So section 2.4. Okay, then I will say asking here. Okay, so section 2.4, what we do right here? What we do right here?
Close section 2.3 and open 2.4.
Yeah. So close section 2.3 and open section 2.4. And coming to here, listen, what we do right now? We have a third section.
Close the section 2 completely, auto tag.
Listen. First, before that, we have to close the 2.4. Okay. After that, only the 2 will close. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Right. Any doubt? And again, I'll open third section right here. And again, it's a children. Okay. I'm not closing anything right here. And we will open another section 3.1. And 3.1, 3 close and 3.2 open. and 3.2 close and 3.3 open, and 3.3 close and 3.4 open, and 3.4 close and 3 close. 3.4 and 3 both 2 tags close and 4 open, and 4.1 open, 2 tags open. 4.1 close and 4.2 open, and 4.2 close and 4 also close. It's a 5 open. So finally, the reference coming means the body matter end with right here. Okay, so body method ended now, so that's why the 5 section will close right here and the body matter close right here. That's it. Any other doubts? So this is a section, level of the section we have to follow as it is. Okay, the same level.
Okay, got
Any
it.
other doubts? Yeah, everyone. Okay, done. So I will send this on HTML. Okay, I will send this on HTML. Okay, HTML and head title sections. Head close and body open and body close. Okay, and HTML also close. Okay, now. So what happened now? It's very important. I will save the file right now. Where right here I will save sections.html. Okay, I'll open output. The title tag not showing. That is a problem actually. So the title tag not showing right here. So those title tags not showing. That's why, because already we told now for XML, once we save the XML tags, or because title is XML tags, the title is a XML tag. Okay, that's why it's not showing. So otherwise, if you want show, do one thing, just replace those titles on like S2 or S1, like S2. Okay, so replace all titles on S2. Then now it's showing clearly. Now it's showing clearly. Okay, so after that, after completing the file, you replace like a title. Okay, S2 to title. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? Because title is like a XML tag, it's not showing browser output. Okay, we can't see that output, so that's why all title tag will be replaced into H2. Okay, so once we complete the file, okay, finally, once we complete the, before so we sending the client now, once we complete the file finally, we should replace H2 to title.
But why, sir?
Did it?
After sending the
See,
document like
actually,
Epub3?
here one problem, for XML we can't see the browser output. Okay, we can't see, so that's why that is a problem actually. Without seeing the output, we don't know what is how, we don't know what is correct or what is wrong, everything. Okay, so that's why we are we are doing like this much of like automation. Okay, okay, because the title tag is like a, it's like a XML tag, that's why it's not showing output. Okay, but title only correct actually, the client asking the title only. Okay, the client asking the title only, because actually client have a style sheet. Okay, client have a style sheet. Once we complete the file now, we have to send the file to client. They have to connect with their style sheet, then it will be show the output actually. Okay, now, so the client have a style sheet, a designing file. Okay, they have a designing file. Once our XML file will connect with the design file now, so it will be showed output, but the client not given the design file to everyone. Okay, so we have to blindly do whatever we do, we have to blindly, once the document only valid now, so it's valid. Once we validate the document, then it's a complete to process. Okay, so that's why we are using these tricks actually. We have to convert like this. Okay, we have to even we are saving the HTML format also. That's why also. Okay, because of once we save the XML format directly in initial now, it's not showing the output anything. Okay, that's why we don't know what is right and what is wrong, everything. Okay, now that's why we are doing like this. Okay, is this clear? At any doubt? Do one thing, just follow the every title as a H2 right now. Okay, as it is H2 right now. Open H2, open H2 close. I mean, open H2 tag, open closing H2 tag. After finally, once we given to client, okay, because the DTT it's very important for XML. We have one updates actually. I want to share one updates actually. For XML, here we have a lot of DTTs. Okay, in XML, I will give you one point actually. Here the XML we have a lot of DTTs. What is mean DTT? DTT is like a document type definition. Okay, document type definition. Actually, the DTT only determine the tagging structure. Okay, the DTT only the determine the tagging structure. Okay, for example, p tag. P tag. What is p tag actually?
Paragraph.
Yeah, it's a paragraph, okay. But some of clients they want to, for example, here the DDT one, okay, our client one or DDT one, client or DDT whatever, okay. So DDT one. So what the DDT one instead, if you find a paragraph, you do p tag, open p tag and close p tag. Okay. So another DDT, the second DDT, what they said now, if you found a paragraph, use para tag, open para tag and closing para tag. So the third level of DTT, what they said now, use paragraph tag. Okay, the concept is common, ma. The three concept is same. Para, p tag, and paragraph is the same. Okay, but the declaration method, the declaration method only the different actually. Okay, na. So did you get the point?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. And another example, like Jack is a person name. Okay, it's a person name. Okay, Jack is a person name. Not only Jack, like whatever name, your name or my name, whatever. What the DDT say instead, if you received the person name in your PDF, do the tag is name. Okay, and what DDT2 said, if you receive the person name, do NM tag, declare NM tag. The DDT3 said N tag. Okay, actually, those N tag or NM tag or name tag, everything indicated only one. It's a name. Okay, the same concept. But the declaration, the tagging concept, tagging structures only differed. Okay, once your client using title tag, you use title. Once your client using H2 tag, then also you use H2. That's it. It's very simple. Okay, now uh, another thing, how do we know our client use? That is a one question now, right? How do we know what tags, what structure our client using? So that's why every XML client they provide like a sample file. Okay, for every XML client they provide like a sample file. Actually that sample file is like an instruction file. Okay, in just take a sample file, just check if there is a paragraph, what the client do. Okay, if suppose that paragraph, in that paragraph they use like a p tag, now just you have to also use p tag. Okay, if that sample, that paragraph use like a paragraph tag, now just you have to also use paragraph. That is clear, right? What I said.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, so that is a concept actually. Okay, na? So right now we are following like a general concepts actually, general XML concepts actually. So finally, with your client na, with your client sample file, I will explain what are the tags we are using, monetary actually. Okay, what are the tags using for compulsory? Everything I'll explain. Okay, before that, we need to know what is XML, what is the general concept of XML, everything. Na? So that's why we are taking general concepts. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Okay, then. Thank you. Okay, ma. So right now the sections is completed actually. So right now the section is completed. In the section, section tag open, ID is very important and title is very important. Okay. So instead of title, use H2. Okay. So instead of title, you use H2, H2 tag. Okay. And coming to paragraph. So paragraph is very simple, ma. Okay. So paragraph is very, very simple. Every paragraph now just open P tag and closing P tag. That's it only. For every paragraph, just open p tag and closing p tag. So sorry. So for every paragraph, we need to open p tag right here and closing p tag right here, and opening p tag right here and closing p tag right here. and opening p tag right here and closing p tag right here and opening p tag and closing p tag. Okay, inside the paragraph. So inside the paragraph, we have to check those things. Okay. So once if the text coming italic character, just use italic tag. Once it's already we know, already we done something yesterday samples. Okay. Bold, super tag, subtags, even entity also. Entity is the today's concept. Okay. Once if you received any other language symbol, other unkeyboard characters, just you should declare like an entity value. So any other doubts?
Sir,
No, sir.
Any other? Yes.
that section we are mentioning ID, right? Like
Yeah.
section 1 or -1, something like that.
Yeah.
That ID should be common for every file, or it's a customizable like for every.
No, it's also customable. It's also customized actually, based on client actually. Right now you use S1, S2, S3. Otherwise, whatever, but everything's it's a single concept. It's randomly increased actually. 1 to 1.1, 1.2 like this. Okay.
So that's the format we are using for the clients, basically.
Yes, of course, yes, of course.
So whatever the file it might be, so we are using the ID format is the same. S1
Yeah,
hyphen.
ID is same actually. Yeah, ID is same.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Sir, is there anything like in the like paragraph we have italic bold that things are explained, right? Similarly,
Hmm.
for the figures, group, label caption, it's fine, but what is group and all like that?
I don't know. I will say this one. I will explain like that concept. Maybe that tomorrow we'll explain figure and the list. Okay. Don't worry. Within 4 days, I will complete those things. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So right now we'll concentrate with like a section in the paragraph only. Just to practice with these things only. Okay, na? So today we'll complete like entity values and the section. Okay. So already we have a section in this place. Just declare the sections already. Already you have a sample file, right? Completed sample file. Just
Yes.
you whoever mistake the list format. Okay, whoever mistake the list concept in those symbols, you have to recover that. Okay, first thing. Second thing, additionally, you add sections. Okay, for all the sections you add. And for example, in a section now, no need declare for italic. So in a section, no need for declare italic or bold. Okay, that is a rule actually. In section title, if the section title comes bold or italic, no need for declare. Okay.
So we have to ignore such italic.
Yeah. That's only our section title.
Okay.
Okay, na? Right? Any doubt?
So today,
Okay,
we
ma.
had,
So,
sir,
yes.
so today only the like section, paragraph, and inside that whatever the entity, if there is
The
any.
entities and that one.
So
We
we have
have to clean up this document, okay? And
to,
next thing, once we complete this document, I will give another document also. You do that as it is, like body matter only, okay? The paragraph and section and that one, okay?
okay.
Right? Any doubt?
So we leave the formulas away from today's
Yeah,
trade.
of course. We leave the formulas, we leave the figures and tables, everything right now. One by one. Maybe tomorrow we'll complete the one. I mean, another level of the concept. Na? So once complete, then we'll practice again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you. See you on next section. Please practice. I will give you to another task in like a group. Okay. Once you finish the task, after that, you take the task. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.